Welcome to another episode from Leap to Success, guiding you in the right direction. Okay, in today's episode, we will be looking at how to work with the bus stop method, the short division in particular. All right, so I've prepared a question for us today. This one today, we are focusing on division with no remainders. Okay, so we've got the question 768 divided by 2. So our first step will be to put the 2 on the outside of the bus stop. Okay, so that's the first step. And then we put the number 768 on the inside. Now, I have the times table grid, which is on the side. So again, if anyone does need extra help and they request this in the chat below, in the comment section, just let me know and I can send this over to you, not a problem. And that goes for any of my resources. I'm happy to send over should you need any extra help. Now, in a question, what I would advise in certain cases when it gets tricky for you with the times tables is to note them down on the side like I've done so here, 2 all the way to 20. And this will help you go through the question with a bit more ease. And also without having to recalculate the times tables in your head each time. So the first one is, how many 2's go into the number 7? Well, it doesn't, because 7 is not in the 2 times table. However, what you need to do is then you need to look at what's the closest. So I've got 2 numbers that are the closest, 6 and 8. However, because 8 is bigger than the number in question 7, therefore we cannot pick a number that's bigger. So we have to pick the number just smaller than the number in question, which is 6. 2 times what makes 6? Well, 2 times 3 makes 6. Now, in your head or on paper on the side, you can write down 7, which is what you had, 7 take away, and the number that you've made, 6. So you take that away and you should know that you end up with 1. So that's the remainder that you're left with. And that 1 goes on to the next number, which is 6 there. So that forms a new number. That makes 16. So now you say, okay, how many 2's go into 16? Well, the good news is if you go down, you can see that it goes exactly into 16. So how many times that? 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is 8 times with no remainders. Okay. Now, the final number that you're left with is how many 2's go into 8? So 8, we can see obviously there, it goes directly into that. It's in the 2 times table. How many times is it? 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, and 2 times 4 without any remainders. So your final answer is 384. Okay, this is how to divide with no remainders. I hope that's been useful for you. Please do share, like, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much for joining me. Goodbye.